Hello everyone, let's try to create this type of the hair step. First you just have to take this pin and just place it at the center, then take the rest of the hair in the circulatory motion and place them one after the another. This is very simple. Another hairstyle is again very simple. First, using the rubber band, you just have to fix the hair at the center, then place the pin also towards the upper portion and in a zigzag manner. As apparent on your screens, we are just rolling some of the hair and converting into this type of the pin type of the bun. It looks very simple and very easy. We will move further with another hairstyle. This one is very simple and very easy. In a twisty manner, we are going to show you how we can make this bun. This looks very simple. Let's move with another hairstyle. First, you just have to make a ponytail, then fix it here at the proper position using the another rubber band as apparent on your screen. The rest of the hair is to be tied up with the help of another rubber band and roll it in this circular motion and make this bun. We will now move further with another hairstyle. First, make a lower ponytail and tie up some of the hair in this type of the bulgy type of the appearance. After that, the upper portion of the hair is twisted towards the lower type of the bunny area that will actually represent the bumpy one, the classical bun. Let's move further with another hairstyle. Just tie up some of the hair at the center, give the internal twist. After that, you just have to make this type of the two ponytails as apparent on your screens using the rubber band. Then you just have to take another rubber band and fix it at the center portion. In the zigzag manner, you just have to just pull out the hair from one side towards the another. You can just do this work with the help of your hand, but this tool will help you to neatly just crisscross your hair in this zigzag type of the manner. If we will talk about the difficulty level, then this one is very simple and very easy. You can definitely give it a try. You can keep it the minimum or you can decorate it with the fancy hairpin. We will move further with the help of our fingers. We are going to create this crisscross type of the loop type of the bun. It's very simple and very easy. Thank you.